Today, June 9, 2026, at around 5 o'clock a.m., operatives of the Philippine National Police successfully arrested Police Lieutenant Colonel Rafael Dumlao. He was arrested in a house in Pasong Tamo, Quezon City, pursuant to a warrant of arrest issued by the court. Dumlao was convicted in connection with the 2016 kidnapping, extortion, carnapping, and killing of South Korean businessman Ji Ik-ju inside Camp Crame. Ayon sa witness yung witness ng murder na to, ay kinidnap niya, sinubukan humingi ng pera. Nung hindi nagbigay ng pera ang Koreano, sinakal siya, sinunog yung katawan, kinremate, tas finlash sa toilet. We commend the teams for the safe and successful implementation of the warrant and assure to the public that the DILG and the PAP is now in the road to serious reform. That even though Colonel Dumlao was one of their own, he was not put above the law. The institution is not perfect, but the road towards a more trustworthy PNP has now begun. He was sleeping in a house. The teams, the CIDG, entered the house. Based on the warrant, a tactical team entered, broke down the door, arrested him, and then he's now in CIDG NCR. In his possession was a 9mm gun in a case, but he was not holding it during the arrest.
Was he alone?
He was alone.
Okay.
It looks like he's been there for a while. Hindi namin kilala kung sinong may-ari ng bahay. Pero may informant kami na nakita siya ron. Mataas ang pader niya, maraming puno. Nakita siya ron. Saka namin inakagad yung intelligence.
Ilang buwan sinurveillance o taon itong si Dumlao?
Mga 3 weeks. Wedding kasi ng anak niya. Kailan ba yung kasal? Sunday. It was the wedding of his daughter last Sunday. So, from then on, tinrack namin yung movement niya. Tinrack namin kung siya talaga yon. And it looks like he was parang naka-ano siya, Facebook Live, yung pinapanood niya yung kasal ng anak niya. Hindi siya umattend ng kasal. Pero nagkaroon ng movement doon sa bahay. Kaya na-track, kaya na-confirm namin nando doon siya. Yes. Mas madali magtago sa Metro Manila kaysa sa probinsya. Sa probinsya kasi, basta hindi kilala, sasabihin kagad sa kapitan, ando doon. Kung sa Metro Manila, walang pansinan dito di ba? Ito yung resulta ng abuso na sa tokhang. Kasi ang ginawa sa kanya, kinatok lang sa pintuan, sabi it was a drug raid, kinuha siya, which turned out to be a kidnapping. Yung tokhang kasi gave too much license to the PNP operatives to do things at their whim without the process of law. In this case, ginawa namin na lahat according to law. We did not violate any procedure. We read him his rights. We did not hurt him. Dinala siya for proper investigation and he will face justice. Wala nang court hearing to He was already convicted. So pag return of warrant, sasabihin ng court kung saan siya ikukulong.